Any disturbance?
Under. Okay.
Any question up to here, Shabab?
Thanks.
Teacher,
Yes,
we
please.
can say feed forward is for emergency.
Emergency brake is also there. You know, emergency is like disturbance always. You know,
Okay.
emergency is included in disturbance. That's why you already have the handbrake, right?
Right.
That's always you have the emergency switch to off the machine, right?
Right. Right.
That's why you always have the emergency door,
Okay.
right, Shabab?
Yes. Yes. Right.
So all these things are like fit for. Maybe you never ever need the emergency door, inshallah. You never ever need the emergency door, inshallah, right? But you have it.
Yes. Of course.
Maybe you never ever, inshallah, need the fire alarm, right? But you have it.
Yes.
So all these things are example of like feed forward. You already bring them. Even inshallah, they're never gonna be needed. But you bring them, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm gonna have a question for you guys. This is a perfect system now. This is what? Perfect system. What is this, Shabab? Perfect
Perfect
system.
system.
Now, until today, how many disturbances we know in this system? 100. 0, 1, 2, up to 99. And we already put 100 solutions in it. How many solutions we already put?
100.
100. So this is a perfect system. Imagine this is a car or whatever you want. Any process you can imagine. If it is perfect system, all the possible disturbances already have the compensations. Then why the accident happens? What is the reason accident happens, Shabab? Once again,
Zero.
Shabab.
Zero, teacher.
It has, until today, it has how many known disturbances? 100. 0, 1, 2, 99. Hundreds known disturbances. For this 100 disturbances, we already put the output in the system. Now the system is what, Shabab? Perfect. Even then, why the accident happens?
Because there is more than 100 disturbance.
You say like this, a new disturbance come, whose solution is already not there. Right, Shabab?
Yes.
Right.
Today we get a new disturbance, that is hundreds disturbance. Before it was 100, now it is 101 disturbance. Right, Shabab? This disturbance does not have the solution. Know what to do? It will destroy the system, right?
Yes. Yes,
So what is the
teacher.
solution, Shabab? Let the system go, or is there any solution?
Make another assistant, teacher.
No, this system is already, you gonna sell it. You are Toyota Corolla, for example, you are Lexus, you are Honda, whatever company you are. So you already calculated 100 disturbances, you put their compensation, their solution in the system. Now today, when XYZ was driving it, another disturbance came that never ever came before. That is 101th disturbance. And there is no solution for this one. So what to do? Let the accident happen, or can we do something? Yes, brothers. Shwab, you are understanding my question or not?
Yes.
Brother Ali is saying external solution. What is that? Please tell us, what is external solution you mean?
Added feedback, teacher.
Very good. Very good. Feedback is very bad. It is very slow. It is blah, 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 blah. You know, it has a big time lag. But at the end, it is controlling. So it is better to have something than nothing. So what we do, we add the feedback here. What we do, Shubham? We will add the feedback here. So we will take from here Measurement, what we say measurement H. H is what, Shabab? Measurement. We will take the measurement and we will take it here. Like this. Now what will happen? This is what, Shabab? Error detector. Now what will happen? If 100 disturbances are coming already known, we already know them. Those 100 disturbances are coming, feed forward will work. This block will work. If any new disturbance is coming, then this feedback will work. Shabab with me?
Yes,
Then
yes.
what happened? This feedback will work. So now, inshallah, the system, the process is safe. Once again, Shabab, once again, we already know 100 disturbances for this system, right? So what we do, we already calculate the compensation for those and put in the system. Okay. Now, if any new disturbance happens, any new thing come, then this feedback path will work. Yeah, it is slow, it is very lazy, ... but at the end it controls. We have seen in the lab already. Maybe you need to wait some time, no problem, but it will do. It is better to be slow instead of nothing, right, Shaba? So it is better to have something instead of nothing. Any question up to here, Shiva? So this system, what we say feed forward, feed backward control scheme. Feed forward and feed backward both. Feed forward and feed backward. Both are there. Any question up to here, Shabab? Yes, brothers, any question, please ask. Yes, Shabab, please. Any question, please ask. Yes, Shabab. Please ask some question. Or minimum say no question.
Thank you, teacher. Thank you. It's, everything.
That's good. This brother is mashallah very good. He will get inshallah bonus marks, Minimum he is replying. Okay, Shabab. So now what happens in reality? What happens in reality? In reality, what we do, we calculate how many possible disturbances? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the 10 possible disturbances for this system, right? We calculate their compensations. This is disturbance. This is their compensation. Okay. For disturbance number 0, the compensation is there, and how much money we spend? How many real we spend for this compensation? 5,000. For compensation 1, we give the disturbance 1, we give the output, and how much real we spend? For example, 6,000. And how many times this compensation, this disturbance come? How many times it comes? It comes maybe after 1 year. How much it is coming? It is coming every day. Every day. Then the disturbance number 2, we spend it 10,000 real. ABS brake, for example, right, Shabab? And when we need it, maybe after 10 years. So this way we make a chart, right, Shabab? And we see which disturbances are very necessary to put the compensation. So at the end we see disturbance number 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. These are very necessary. These are very necessary. They are coming often, every day they are coming. So what we do, we calculate output for them and put in the controller. What about these disturbances? What about these ones, Shabab? 2378. What about these? Feedback. Very good. Very good. Brother Ali is, mashallah, telling feedback. So, because this disturbance is gonna be after very long time, or maybe never happen, or maybe their solution is very expensive, all these things. So we will, because we already have the feedback system here, already we introduce it. So it will be taken care by the feedback system. Right, Shabab? So in reality, it happens like that. So we already know there are 100 disturbances. Out of those 100, we bring 10, shortlist them. These are very necessary. Out of 10, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are extremely necessary. So we put their solutions already there, and other disturbances we leave on the feedback system because we already put the feedback system there.
Like
Yeah.
safety, like teacher, for example, safety system for fire. Can I say?
Yes, yes, yeah. We cannot cover everything in the system, but we cover major things, and other things we put for the feedback system. No problem. Because we already have the feedback system also there. Yeah, Shabab, any question up to here?
Thank you. For me, everything is clear. For me.
So this is our feed forward system, Shabab. Now we're gonna do some examples, inshallah.